देवांशी एंड खुशी, आप दोनों जो है वो 10 थिंग्स यू मस्ट डू इन फर्स्ट ईयर, कौन सी ऐसी 10 चीजें जो कंपलसरी करनी ही चाहिए सभी फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स को? आई रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज शेयर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, थॉट्स, प्रेजेंटेशन विथ अस.
To Hello everyone and hello sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity. So we will start sharing now. Our topic is that 10 things that you must do in first year. And yes, we are both sisters, and no, we are not twins. So first will be
Like the first most important thing in your first year is like make sure about scoring good average. Like your average score should be above 7. Make that a target for yourself. Basically for first year your two main subjects are anatomy and histology. So every day keep a time, like specific time for revising everything. Like if your topic was upper limbs, bones of upper limbs, recall everything. You should always do like quizzes. There are apps in which you can practice them. Also, revise, repeat, and recall everything and learn everything in advance. Like before your teacher tells you that for your next class you have to prepare this much, read 1 to 2 pages extra and go for the class. It would be very helpful for you. Okay.
next would be languages, that is Russian and Latin. So also you need to keep a good score in these two also. So your score should be 7 or 7 above in your daily classes, cause उससे फाइनल में बहुत हेल्प होती है. जैसे कि आगे भी सीनियर्स ने बताया कि मिनी एग्जाम्स एंड फाइनल्स में इट विल बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल कि आपका डेली स्कोर जो है रशियन और लैटिन में वो बहुत अच्छा होगा. एंड यू आर supposed to respect these languages. It will be new for you, but please respect them just like our language. Impression. So your first impression is the last impression. So your impression matters, but also the group that you will be provided, उसकी भी impression उतनी matter करती है जितनी तुम्हारी करती है.
Okay, and also while choosing your group leader, choose them wisely because it is very important. The group leader should be like very supportive, who like वो आपको आपके साथ आगे तक खींच के ले जाना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि यार इसके मार्क्स ज्यादा है तो इसको ग्रुप को मतलब इसको परेशान कर रहा है या फिर वैसा कुछ. And also make sure that every member of your group is equal in studies. Like everyone should score good marks if possible for you. Like let me tell you, for our group it's group 18 and every one of us push each other every day. Like if her subject is weak we will push her, like तू कर ले आज ये वाला पढ़ ले, तेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा हमसे पूछ. All this thing is important for you.
So next is a hostel. So you will be given 4 hours of hostel work every month. So you should be sure to participate them and follow all the hostel rules and regulations, just like other seniors told you. It's very necessary to be respectful to their rules and regulations, and also be respectful to the hostel manager and the workers there.
Don't skip your 4 hour works. Like it would be monthly, like for 1 month you have to do 4 hour works. The work won't be like, it won't take more than 4 hours. It would be like 2 hours, like games as shown in Kunjal's PDF. Like that there will be different kind of activity will be given to you. So please do participate in all these activities. Keep your rooms clean and everything. Many like follows the hostel rules properly.
Next is advanced reading. So you're supposed to know your subjects and also your lackings. You should prepare well in anatomy and histology in advance. And for your weaker subject also, you should keep rereading them and prepare them in advance and take time. And also you can take help from your group leaders or your friends or your seniors. And you should give them time and trust yourself. You will make it good.
Participation, like there will be different kind of activities. तुम लोग सब में participate करो. There will be like नवरात्रि के लिए होगा. There will be performance during Diwali and all functions. There will be sports activity. participate in one in which you think that you are best and it's like your hobby, you want to improve. Don't do like सब में participate मत करो या फिर तुम्हारा time waste हो रहा है. Studies are important. Participate करो जिसमें तुमको पसंद हो. And all these things are important because it will be in your resume and or CV. So ऐसा भी मत करना कि पढ़ना है तो खाली पढ़ना है और कुछ नहीं करना. Don't do that thing.
Next is hygiene, and hygiene is must because वहाँ पे ठंडा environment है, so a lot of students will be skipping like आज नहीं नहाना and here and all. So please don't do that. Your hygiene is a must. Also keep your rooms and kitchen clean and tidy because फिर cockroaches बहुत होते हैं. So please.
Use of libraries. So there are two different libraries. One will be in your main building and one would be in your anatomy. So like libraries में ऐसा है कि तुम लोग को एक कंप्यूटर वाली भी लाइब्रेरी मिलेंगी. If you are not like अगर तुमको रूम में पढ़ना नहीं पसंद है या फिर तुम्हारे रूममेट्स कुछ और एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, तुमको स्टडीज करना है, देयर आर हॉस्टल लाइब्रेरीज ऑल्सो जिसमें आप हॉस्टल में जाके पढ़ सकते हो, या फिर तुम्हारे कोई 2 लेक्चर्स हैं उनके बीच बहुत ज्यादा गैप है और तुम हॉस्टल वापस नहीं जाना चाहते हो, स्टडी इन लाइब्रेरीज, स्टार्ट रीडिंग बुक्स, देयर आर every single thing is available in that.
Also आपको स्टडी रूम भी है हॉस्टल में. सो एट नाइट ऑल्सो इफ यू फील लाइक आपको रात को पढ़ना ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, देन यू कैन यूज द स्टडी रूम्स इन हॉस्टल.
Like library pura like it's working 24/7. There will be Wi-Fi in your libraries and study rooms. It's on you what time you prefer.
Scheduled timetable, so you should make a good timetable that brings the best out of you because सबका timetable अलग होता है. किसी को रात को पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, किसी को सुबह समय बीच में noons and evenings. So make a proper timetable and like किसी को सुबह मॉर्निंग एक्टिविटीज लाइक एक्सरसाइज वो अच्छा लगता है, कोई रात को ऐसे लाइक पेंटिंग ड्राइंग वो सब करता है. सो एवरीबडी विल हैव डिफरेंट टाइम टेबल्स एंड डिफरेंट थिंग्स टू डू एट डिफरेंट टाइम. So make your own perfect timetable which brings the best out of you, and sometimes it's okay to not follow it. And lastly, find time for peace, yourself and your parents, because this is going to be your first time just like every other. So please be kind to everyone and be understanding to your mates also, क्योंकि गलती सबसे होती है. So just be forgiving कि it's your first time, and find time for yourself and your parents because I know it's your like आप मेडिकल पढ़ रहे हो, so you shouldn't think कि हाँ मैं तो मेडिकल पढ़ रहा हूँ या पढ़ रही हूँ, so I can't find time for myself and my sleep or my parents because I'm studying medical. ऐसा मत रखना please. Like just as much as you are worried and missing them, the same is happening there. So try to call them like 3-4 घंटे नहीं, but at least you can call them for 10 minutes in a day and report them that how are you, and I am also fine and everything is going well and I had this exam and I scored this much. Just उतना update रखो उनको and that's it. Like आपको ज्यादा बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Also don't cut off your relationship, especially with your parents and friends, because they are the most trustable person in your life. That's the thing. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, and we hope you will have a wonderful first year just like we did.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Devansh. Thank you so much, Khushi.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन आपने शेयर की एंड उसमें मुझे बहुत अच्छी बात ये लगी कि जैसे ज्यादातर कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज बहुत ज्यादा होती है और फर्स्ट ईयर में है ना, वो थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर फिफ्थ ईयर वाले बोलते हैं आप पार्टिसिपेट कर लो. तो हम लोग नाचना पसंद नहीं है फिर भी नाच रहे हैं, गाना पसंद नहीं फिर भी गा रहे हैं. तो आपको जो पसंद है वहां पे एक पार्टिसिपेट करो. और रियली आपने जो चीजें बताई वो बहुत बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थी. थैंक यू so much. Now I like to request Dr. Paritosh, second year completed, and of course third year abhi unka start